Hi. One of my last video was about the screen protectors for Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and in that video I compared three screen protectors. All of them were glass. I was saying about the pros and cons of each screen protectors. But after that I searched and I found that Ghost Shield, that's also from Tech Gear, which is much better than the other glass screen protectors. I ordered one and I already used one, so I can say it is more efficient, more visible, and more flexible, and it is very best for glass screen protectors, especially for the phones with the edge screen. So in this video I will use this Ghost Shield and I will show how to apply and how is the result. So this is the Ghost Shield. In the packet itself it says about how to apply. It's elaborately saying how you can use Ghost Shield. So it comes with the screen protector and a soft cloth, then alcohol wipe to clean the screen, and these stickers to apply the screen protectors and to remove the outer layer, and this is the card to remove the air bubbles if there is any air bubbles. So first we have to wash our hands and clean the screen. Then we can use the alcohol wipe to wipe the screen, and we have to dry with the microfiber cloth. And if still there is any dust is visible, you can use this sticker to take it the dust out. So I just cleaned the screen with the wipe and I polished with a microfiber cloth. Now the screen is clean. Now we can apply the screen protector. First we have to align the holes. We can take the number 1, this sticker, and we can align the hole and attach that one. Then we can slowly remove number 2 and take the thingy off and correctly fix the protector. Then we can take number 3 at the last, and we can use the card to remove any air bubbles trapped, and we can fix it properly. So we can see this. So now as you can see, just remove the number 1 sticky and attach the top part, aligning the holes. Then we can remove the air bubbles first. Then we can take number 2 slowly backward, and by the time we can attach the screen protector to the screen. So now I took off the number 2 and attaching the main part. Now I'm using the card to remove the air bubbles and stick it properly. So it's done. So still there is some air bubbles I can remove. I need to remove this as well.